opening the hood. Oh, look who that guy is. Well, this is fun. Check this out. I finally put this thing back together, and I was driving home and it dumped a bunch of coolant out everywhere and started to overheat. So I am now stuck at a 7-Eleven and I have no car parts, and I brought minimal tools with me. I have a hammer and a 7mm socket and a E-Torx on a ratchet and that. Yeah, I don't have much for tools here. Back seat, I don't even have seats in there, so now I'm in for it. Yeah, there's no seats in the back seat. Stay, run. Okay, got that. And I have no tools back here because I cleaned everything out. The issue that I have is those heater hoses right there. That's a new one, and this one got a new connector on the end of it, which I don't know if we can see. But yeah, it's way back in there. See that little bit of silver shininess way back there? No, you can't. Well, anyway, there's a connector back there that connects that heater hose to the heater core. I think we can see it from here. Forgive the low light and all that good stuff. Anyway, the thing does not attach very well. You can feel it click on, and it does have some positive engagement, but well, it comes off under pressure. So since I have limited resources, I went inside the store and I got some tape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this hose to the other hose in an effort to kind of keep them together so one of them can't slide off and then pop off of there. And I'm gonna refill my coolant back up again with some jugs of water that I got also inside. They had coolant in there, but it was like $26 a gallon, and that's ridiculous. So we're not using that coolant in there. I'm just using that, and then I'll drain it and fill it later on. So let me throw some tape on this and I'll see if I can't lift this thing home. Now, in order to kind of get a good angle for the dangle, so to speak, on this tape, I need to get that transmission dipstick tube out of the way. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those two hoses, pinch them together, and then just tape them up, and hopefully the tape will have enough friction on it to prevent the thing from coming off again. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it has to, because I'm exactly halfway between my house and the shop, and I have really nowhere else to go except forward. So I'm just gonna fix this right here, right now, with some Scotch tape. It's packing tape, so it's probably not any good. And then hopefully I can get this thing home. I'm going to need to leave the radiator cap loose so it doesn't build a bunch of pressure inside, because the thing was fine for 10-15 miles or whatever, and then once it built pressure, the thing let go at a red light, and then the low coolant warning indicator became illuminated on my Escalade dash cluster, and well, you all know the rest of the story. Here we are. So I don't expect this to last very long. I just hope it lasts long enough to limp this truck back to the house, and then maybe one more time back to the shop afterwards. We'll see what happens here. Tape is installed. And a second piece going in just for good measure here, just so I feel a little bit better about this parking lot repair. They didn't have any zip ties or electrical tape, so all we got was the packing tape. It is what it is. Okay, so now both of those hoses are taped together. I'm giving the one a good tug and it's not coming off, so I think that's gonna be okay for now. Let's go ahead and refill the coolant and get out of here. This is not gonna work, but that is, haha. Who needs a funnel? Glug, glug. Gallon number 2. Are we full yet? Please tell me we're full. I don't want to go buy more water. Seems not full yet. Will this thing pump out 5 gallons of water? I lost all the water. Oh. I think we're there. All right. Okay, let's go back inside, restart the engine, purge this out some, and then I think we're good to go here. Beginning engine restarting sequence. Alarm. Yeah, I think I need another gallon. Yepper. Gallon number 3. Loud noises. Yeah, it's getting dark. Need to get out of here. I was gonna get home early today, and now I'm doing this. Oops. Is that enough? Yep, sure is. Okay, so I can't allow that to pressurize, because if it pressurizes when it heats up, it'll just blow the hose right back off, tape or no tape. So I'm just gonna leave this thing. I don't even know if I'm gonna put it on. It's starting to seal. Yeah, I think that's probably good. Okay. Throw these in the back in case I've got to do this again, which I hope I don't, because I don't even have a flashlight. I brought nothing. There you go back there. Okay. So I found the Achilles heel here. It's that stupid replacement metal connector. I put a metal one on there because the plastic ones were all like yellow tinted and super old. And I thought the metal one was gonna be better, but it turns out it's not, so I learned. Let's get out of here. FedEx guy's looking at me weird because I'm talking to myself. Ha, that was funny. Okay, 3M tape, do not fail me. Temperature is manageable. Low coolant warning is not there. Yeah, that's still there, I'll fix that later. All right, let's get out of here. I will let you guys know if I make it or if I don't make it. So I only have like 1 more gallon of water and about 20 miles to go. So I'm gonna be real gentle with this thing and try to not build any heat, which means I need to stay out of the power, which means I need to turn down, there we go, turn down the pedal monster so we have no additional power creators activated. Fingers crossed, let's see what happens. So sad, it's in stock mode. Oh no. Oh well. All right, so far so good. We're still not building heat. Okay. Okay, I smell coolant, but I think I'm gonna make it. It's not overheated, and I've got like 2 more miles to go. We're almost there, almost. All right, guys, I'm in the home stretch. I'm on my road. Nearly there. I still smell some coolant, so it is leaking, but the heater is still working and the gauge does not say that I'm out of coolant yet. So I think this is going to be a successful failure for the time being. I'm gonna have to go home, put more tape in it, and then drive it back to work tomorrow so I can get the proper piece and take away the metal piece that I thought was gonna be better than the plastic piece that we put in, but it's not better because it doesn't stay connected. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this short video. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this situation and aftermarket coolant parts or whatever in the comment section down below. See you guys later in a video, in a transmission, in a day.